Okay, Dan, I'm gonna make a video and show you how to use this nail gun. So it's for your baby. This one's not for you. So first step, locate the nail gun. This says it's an 18 gauge nail gun. To insert the nails, if you can see that, you push this little trigger, you pop the nails in there like this. Nice and easy. Got this. Pretty simple. You can borrow these from me if you want, or if you need to get them from Lowe's, just get 18 gauge. It's not Georgia, it's 18 gauge. All right, let me see if I can find my air compressor. So, get your air compressor out, and I actually unplugged mine, so, which is rare, but you probably should do that. Plug it in, turn it on. Oh, it's really loud. I won't turn it in right now. But I don't know about the pressure. I never bother with that. I just use a piece of test wood. So let's see. What can I nail together? Let's see. Well, I'll just nail these pieces of wood together. See if it works. See if we could show you how to do that. So your main thing, you get your air compressor. Right now, I just pumped up a basketball, so I had this one out. Oops, take that out. And then I guess it has this little cap on the bottom. Pop that off. Stick this thing on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Oh, hold on. Before you do any of that, Dan, you need to worry about safety. Okay? Got this safety first, so we'll be ready to go with that. Now I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna be loud for a little bit. Okay, it's like at over 50 on that one, so we'll see if that's enough to do it. Take the two pieces of wood and then push. This little thing has a little tip here. Push that down, then you pull the trigger. Okay, it needs more air. So while that's filling up, I'll probably cut all this out, but I don't know, man. Sometimes you just gotta turn it on and see what happens, so we'll see. Yeah, I would usually let it fill up and let it get full first, because otherwise there's not gonna be enough power to put the nail in, you know? So let's see what it's at now. Okay, it's at 90. Let's see if 90 is enough to do any damage. Yeah, that's nice and flush. So my recommendation would be at least 90 pounds of pressure. If you want to get really fancy, I know you're making this for your daughter, you can get, depending on where the nails go, if they're going to be if you want to make sure they're hidden, maybe, so you don't see the nail head, you can get, left it back here. Let's see. You can get a little punch like this, and then I'll show you what you can do with that, and you can make it magic. But I think you're going to be mad because you already stained your thing. So you would, if you wanted to do an official job and hide nails, you would do this before you stained. So let me see. You would take this punch, put it right there, hold on down, punch it down. Whoops, I missed. Okay, see how I punched that down, that hole? It's just professional woodworking. Let's see. This is just more than you asked for, Dan. But since you're my only subscriber to my channel, I want to make sure you're satisfied. That's not what I want. I'm trying to see if I have any wood filler. I thought I had wood filler somewhere. But I'm not seeing it. Yeah, there we go. Right where I left it. Take the wood filler like this. This is kind of old. And you rub it in there. And you say, what nail hole? What? These pieces of wood are just magically together. Boom. Okay, Dan. Since you've subscribed, I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, but I want you to like, comment, and smash that notification bell. All right, see you, Dan. Bye.